Have you ever heard the phrase up to no good and wondered what it means? Today, we're going to dive into this common English idiom and learn how to use it like a pro. Imagine this: you see your neighbor sneaking around their backyard late at night. You might think, they're up to no good. But what does that really mean? Well, let's say your neighbor was actually just checking on their garden. They weren't doing anything wrong, but the phrase up to no good suggests they were engaged in some kind of mischief or suspicious activity. Now, let's see how the phrase is used correctly. Imagine your friend tells you they're going to a party, but you know they have a big test coming up. You might say, "I bet you're just up to no good and trying to avoid studying." In this case, up to no good means your friend is trying to avoid their responsibilities and do something more fun instead. Here are some more examples of how to use up to no good in different contexts. In a casual conversation, I saw those kids hanging around the park late at night. They're probably up to no good. In a formal setting, the employee's suspicious behavior suggests he may be up to no good and misusing company resources. In a negative context, the neighborhood has been plagued by vandalism, and the police suspect the local teens are up to no good. In a humorous context, I caught my little brother sneaking cookies before dinner. He's always up to no good. In a literary context, the mischievous imp was up to no good, causing chaos throughout the enchanted forest. In a business setting, we need to keep a close eye on our competitors, as they may be up to no good and trying to steal our market share. On social media, did you see that post? I bet they're just up to no good, trying to get attention. Notice how the meaning and tone of the idiom can change based on the context. To help you remember the meaning of up to no good, think of a mischievous cartoon character, like Bugs Bunny, who is always up to some kind of trick or scheme. Visualizing this image can remind you that the idiom refers to someone engaging in suspicious or troublesome behavior. Now, let's explore some fun facts about the idiom up to no good. The origins of this phrase are often attributed to the 1800s, appearing in early English literature and common speech. The phrase is commonly used in literature and movies to depict characters engaged in mischief or suspicious activities. If you're looking for similar idioms, you could try up to something, up to tricks, or up to shenanigans. These all suggest someone is engaged in questionable or mischievous behavior. On the flip side, you might hear the opposite, like up to no harm or up to something good, which imply the person is not doing anything wrong. Let's try using the idiom in a sentence. I saw my little brother sneaking into the kitchen late at night. He's definitely up to no good and trying to get a midnight snack. Now, let's rephrase that without using the idiom. I saw my little brother sneaking into the kitchen late at night. He's definitely engaged in suspicious behavior and trying to get a midnight snack. Notice how the meaning is similar, but the idiom adds a more playful and expressive tone to the sentence. Here's a real-life story that shows how effectively using the idiom up to no good can be. I was walking through the park when I saw a group of teenagers huddled together, whispering and looking around suspiciously. I thought to myself, those kids are definitely up to no good. Sure enough, I soon noticed they were vandalizing a nearby bench. The idiom helped me quickly identify the situation and take appropriate action. Now, let's talk about some common mistakes and how to avoid them when using the idiom up to no good. Grammatical mistake: saying they're up to no goods is incorrect. The idiom is always used in the singular form, up to no good. Meaning misunderstanding: some people think up to no good means someone is doing something good or positive. when it actually means the opposite, engaging in suspicious or mischievous behavior. Inappropriate context, using the idiom in a formal, professional setting may come across as too casual or unprofessional. It's best to use it in more informal, conversational situations. Let's test your understanding with a few quizzes. 1. What does the idiom "up to no good" mean? A. Doing something positive. B. Engaged in suspicious or mischievous behavior. C. Avoiding responsibility. Correct answer, B. 2. Which of these is a synonym for "up to no good"? A. Up to something. B. Up to no harm. C. Up to greatness. Correct answer, A. 3. Which of these is an antonym for "up to no good"? A. Up to tricks. B. Up to shenanigans. C. Up to no harm. Correct answer, C. In summary, the idiom "up to no good" is a common and colorful way to describe someone engaged in suspicious or mischievous behavior. By understanding its meaning, usage, and cultural context, you can improve your communication skills and sound more natural when using this idiom in everyday conversations. Now it's your turn. Share your own experiences with using "up to no good" in the comments below. I'd love to hear how you've applied this idiom in your daily life. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more English idiom lessons. Remember, the key to mastering English idioms is practice, practice, practice. So go out there and start using "up to no good" in your conversations. Who knows, you might just catch someone in the act of mischief.